Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So tonight is the Halloween weekend. So as you guys know, the Halloween is just towards the end of October. And this is Bournemouth town center. Let's have a walking tour. So if I walk straight down, it's the lower gardens, and just ahead of lower gardens is the Bournemouth beach and Bournemouth pier.
You couldn't even look straight, John.
Here are some cafes. And this is cinema right in front of us, Odeon Cinema. If you want to watch some movie in Bournemouth, this can be the place for you. Then here it is, the Five Guys restaurant, very famous for burgers. Let's walk in through this mall. There's the Costa Coffee there, and there's Nando's as well. Fancy some chicken, and then some Italian restaurant. There's a steakhouse as well, a sushi place towards the right. And right in front is the Hilton Hotel of Bournemouth. This very tall building. So as it is a Halloween night, so you can see these guys. They are wearing some kind of dress.
The other one's down here. Where are you going?